It is a sad day for popular cross-dresser Idrisu, also called Bobrisky, as he was sentenced to 6 months imprisonment following a 4-count charge bordering on the abuse of the naira preferred against him by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC). Bobrisky had pleaded guilty to the 4-count charge of abuse of the naira after the judge struck out counts 5 and 6 at the last proceeding, pleading that he was ignorant of the law on the abuse of the naira. The convict, who said he had over 5 million followers on social media, promised to use the platform to educate people about spraying money. His offense, according to Section 21 of the CBN Act 2007, is liable for imprisonment for a term not less than 6 months up to a fine of 50,000 naira or both. The cross-dresser, who admitted to being a man before he was sentenced, was arrested on Wednesday, 3rd April 2024 for spraying and abusing the naira on 4 different occasions and failure to declare activities of the company Bob Express to the Special Control Unit Against Money Laundering. Justice Abimbola Awoboro, who delivered ruling on the matter, said the judgment would serve as a deterrent to others who may want to engage in such illegal act. Awoboro further stated that the jail term of the convict runs from March 24th, 2024. Chiamaka Uche, ART News, Lagos.